Right, so if your post and pre-workout nutrition is lacking, I have two solutions for you that I gotta share. This one that I always use during my pre-workout phase and my post-workout phase is L-glutamine, which is a essential amino acid for protein synthesis. Your body uses quite a lot of this during exercise. So what I like to do is I like to apply a scoop of this to my pre-workout drink 30 minutes before training, and I can safely say that the 2 weeks I've been using this have been phenomenal in terms of recovery, in terms of enhanced strength. So really, get yourself some L-glutamine, you will not regret it. The second game changer is any pre-workout. Now pre-workout, what makes it special is it contains beta-alanine and also high amounts of caffeine. So if you are lacking energy and strength during your training sessions, well, a stim pre-workout is exactly the ideal thing for you. There are stim-free versions available because sometimes some of the stimulants causes irritation and people are very sensitive to them. You have stim-free options available as well, but the crucial ingredient in here is beta-alanine, and some of them also contain nitrous oxides, which enhance pumps during your sessions. So if you're looking to invest in some supplementation, these are two supplements that are worth the money and that will change the game for your workout sessions. Follow me for more.